I only one word comes to my mind, and that is wow. Actually, wow, what Shri Praveen Narangji is doing. I am in touch with him since last more than 10 to 11 years. The level of positivity he emits is phenomenal. Learning, sir, learning. I have been meeting so many motivational speakers, trainers and whatnot. But just level per Praveen sir काम कर रहे हैं, phenomenal. I myself come from a very, very basic family. Yes, we have grown. We have grown to leaps and bounds over last 20 to 25 years. But जहाँ से हमने scratch किया है, that was sir very rock bottom. So hats off to you. जैसे आप सबको सोसाइटी को हेल्प कर रहे हैं एंड जगदीश अंकल से मिलके बहुत अच्छा लगा एंड हम लोग बड़े हुए हैं इनके छोले भटूरे और बटर नान और दाल और वो थाली आती थी आपकी तो So I'll not take much time. I know I'm standing between you and your nice breakfast round the corner. So I'll just quickly. So I've done my uh, I've done my engineering. I'm a complete Delhiite, true Delhiite, dipsite. Then I did my engineering from Delhi College of Engineering. Then post graduation from Delhi School of Economics and London School of Economics. That's about me. So we are a real estate background company. हम लोगों ने we have developed more than 1 million square feet of residential and commercial complexes by the name of Unity Group. So off lately we have carved out our since the family is growing, many generations are coming now. So we have carved out various companies of each one's individuality and preferences. So RKG Group is another company of that sort. My basic principle of forming RKG Group was diversification. I heard Srimati Indira Nui ji once in her last interview with Kiran Mazumdar Shaw. I was there in that meeting, sir. She said, "Future belongs to the ones who will diversify. So do not keep yourself with only one source of income. Create multiple sources of income in whatever way possible." So that's what the essence of my company. I am from Central Delhi, born and brought up in Karol Bagh. बिल्कुल बेसिक गुरुद्वारा रोड आपने जरूर देखी होगी, बैंक स्ट्रीट. आज भी शादी होती है घर में तो लोग वहां पर ज्वेलर्स के जाते हैं. तो I'll just take you around. This is my father. He is an IITian, IIT Kanpur. He's been a bureaucrat long time back. So this is my first generation startup for RKG. And this is my brother. He's also an engineer. एंड यहाँ पर आने का सर एक और इमोशनल कनेक्ट है मेरे को. अभी जस्ट आई वाज शेयरिंग विद माय वाइफ, ये जो साथ वाली बिल्डिंग है ये होटल, दिस वाज माय ट्रेनिंग बिल्डिंग. मतलब ये मैंने फर्स्ट इसकी नींव अपने हाथों से रखी हुई है. सो थैंक यू सो मच. मैं यहाँ पर 7-8 साल बाद आया हूँ. So of lately we have diversified from real estate to automobile industry. So that was my first diversification step after immediately doing my post graduation. We joined hands with Nissan, and I was fortunate enough to bring in Nissan Motors to India. Earlier they were just we were just importing cars from Nissan. So 2009 and 10 May we brought in that company to India. We convinced Japanese guys, and we did that. So Nissan, I did business with Nissan for almost 10 years and sold more than 5,000 cars in Delhi. And in 2014 we joined hands with Hyundai. So currently it's been 10 to 11 years of relationship with Hyundai Motors, and we have showrooms and workshops across Delhi NCR. I will be sharing entire profile with you. And we have been lucky enough to sold more than 20,000 vehicles in Delhi. And out of those 20,000 families that we connect, my preference and my ideology is to keep connected with everybody. Obviously, getting in touch with 20,000 people is not easy. So I try to, whoever is my customer, I try to, taking motivation of Praveen ji, remain connected with almost at least 50% of people. So I am very confident that 10,000 families, I belong to them. So, and they are so well connected, sir. Straight away they call me, Mathur Saab, and I'm very happy to help them or serve them or cater to them, to their services. Going forward, this is our presence of automobile in Delhi NCR. Real estate, like I said, industrial, we are coming up with a lot of industrial developments also in Delhi NCR, commercial, residential, we are already there. So whatever malls and commercial complexes you see in North Delhi particularly, East Delhi somewhat, and Dwarka by the name of Unity Group, Agarwal Corporate Towers. So that is our developments. Hospitality, we are present into budget hotels, like we have developed 3 hotels for Ginger Hotels and so on and so forth. And motels and resorts are coming up in Delhi. So we are coming up with largest motel in Delhi on GT Karnal Road. So it's under planning phase right now. So hopefully if the government approves and if the government governance turbulence in Delhi settles, we may, proceed further. F&B, my brother diversified into F&B business. We had a chain of restaurants across Delhi. So we had 4. Recently, we sold that entire chain to someone. See, ultimately, we are entrepreneurs, so we keep on adding stuff. And this is our latest. This is my personal latest interest. I joined hands with Reliance Industries. Reliance has a vertical in polymer and plastic business. I'm sure, like manufacturers like you and others, जी मैं आपको सुन रहा था. तो आप लोग जानते होंगे प्लास्टिक का एनीथिंग दैट इज मेड ऑफ प्लास्टिक, दिस बॉटल, कैप, एनीथिंग इज मेड अप ऑफ पॉलीमर, जिसको रिलायंस बनाता है. रिलायंस हैज 70% मार्केट शेयर. तो वी हैव बीन फॉर्चुनेट इनफ, वी हैव बीन ग्रांटेड देयर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फॉर दिल्ली एनसीआर बाय रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज. सो दिस इज माय पर्सनल इंटरेस्ट. सर पूछ रहे थे आपका कहाँ इंटरेस्ट है आजकल, तो आई एम लुकिंग आफ्टर दिस बिजनेस. CSR is something which is very important in everybody's life. It's not only for HNIs or for corporates. Even if even at SME level, or a growing level, you should contribute to the society. What, like sir said, कुछ अगर चाहिए तो सबसे पहले देना पड़ता है. तो I really urge and request everyone कि अपने लेवल पर सोसाइटी को जरूर दीजिए. एंड इसका एग्जाम्पल मुझे मेरे फादर ने सिखाया. वी हैड अ वेरी सक्सेसफुल होटल रनिंग इन सेंट्रल दिल्ली इन करोल बाग. वी कम फ्रॉम अ संघ परिवार. सो माय फादर went against my decision of shutting down that hotel and converting that hotel to a charitable hospital. I was so against him initially कि what are you doing? I mean, I'm getting so many lakhs of money, whatever. True. But he was against me. He completely said, this is mine. You have no role to, in decision making of this, at least this property. Focus on your other business if you can, otherwise let it be. So this hospital, sir, sorry, due to lack of time, I could not I cannot show you the video of that hospital. But very soon, sir, मैं एक बार share करूँगा, maybe in the same platform I will share because it's really close to our heart. So वो होटल बंद करके हमने स्वामी विवेकानंद चैरिटेबल सेंटर को दिया जगह, which is run by RSS, राष्ट्रीय सेवा भारती. So डॉक्टर कृष्ण गोपाल, आप जानते हैं, ये उनका एक मिशन है. 4 धामों पर हम जाते हैं, बट वी none of us would know कि 4 धामों पर हर साल कितनी कैजुअलिटी होती है. सर, more than 5 lakh people suffer either injuries or fatal incidences while doing 4 धाम. करोड़ों लोग करते हैं जिनको फर्स्ट एड ही नहीं मिल पाती. तो माय फादर वाज देयर विद संग टू सम गुड इवेंट. वहां पर एक यंग की तबीयत खराब हो गई. ही केम फ्रॉम मुंबई एंड उसको किसी तरह से करके, हमारे साथ एम्स के डायरेक्टर भी थे उस वक्त, गुलेरिया साहब, तो उन्होंने किसी तरह करके उसको हेलीकॉप्टर से देहरादून में फर्स्ट एड करवाया, कंप्लीटली फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. कोई उससे चार्ज नहीं लिया गया बिकॉज आरएसएस वाज इन्वॉल्व, संघ वाज इन्वॉल्व, व्हाटएवर यू मे कॉल इट, नॉन पॉलिटिकल. तो वो बंदा वापस गया. यू नो हाउ मच अमाउंट ही डोनेटेड? He donated 7 crores in account. किसी ने उसे कुछ बोला नहीं, कुछ मांगा नहीं. So that's the level of, and he is a young guy. I met him in Mumbai. कमाल का enthusiasm है. So वहां से my father got motivation that yes, we should do something in Delhi also. So in this hospital, we are giving free of cost free of cost medical aid to the weakest section of the society. Sir, big doctors like you give their 1 month in a year. They have committed to Director Ames. He is visiting every year once. RML के डायरेक्टर साहब, गंगाराम के डायरेक्टर साहब, डॉक्टर राणा, he himself comes there. आपको मैं इनवाइट करूंगा किसी दिन. So एंड वहां पर हम इस तरह की सर्विसेज दे रहे हैं. ECG 20 रुपए की ECG. And whoever cannot give that 20 rupees also, we do it for free. So CSR is one of the most important aspect in everyone's life, and that is really close to my heart. After gaining and extracting so much from the society, you should give it back. You should give it back, because nature is a perfect balance. If you will not give, it will take on its own. So why not you do it willfully? So I am also associated with Roundtable India and Rotary Club of India. जहां पर sir, please allow me. I will invite you to present with your team, Dr. Mathur and whoever can join. वहां पर HNIs का एक बहुत अच्छा platform है. And what you are doing, I think through your organization, I don't know how many people can benefit. Sure. And going forward, I am really working on one NGO. I really want help from, there are CAs, I can see there are, consultancy firms who can help me build this NGO Sadak, which will work against the road rage in Delhi.
This is very good initiative of yours.
कोई NGO नहीं है जो अभी road rage के ऊपर काम कर रही है. I have been discussing with my wife since last 5 years, but due to lack of time and knowledge how to form an NGO, I'm not able to do that. Please, if you can help me, I am ready to give my time for this NGO. Because एक बार आपको याद होगा मेरे को क्यों आया सर, 5-6 साल पहले तुर्कमान गेट पर एक हादसा हुआ था. I-20 के अंदर हस्बैंड वाइफ और 2 बिटिया बच्ची जा रहे थे और 3 लड़के बाइक के ऊपर, उनका बम्पर टच हो गया. उन्होंने उस ड्राइवर को, उस हस्बैंड को, बच्चों वाइफ के सामने, they killed them. What is this? And nobody is working on this, sir. Nobody. So this is really close to my heart. I'm not here for business. Business I'm getting automatically from nature. So I'm just, balancing it. So please.
Let's clap for this initiative.
Going forward, my topic for the day, EQ. Yes. So this is again very close to my heart. I'm an HR professional. I've done my master's in human resources and organizational development from the Delhi School and London School. So any idea? EQ, IQ, obviously everyone must have learned the names, heard the names. Any idea, please?
It was at different levels of mind. Like the mind is, the brain is very close, the conscious level, if I'm not wrong. Left and right, and they are contained like right brain is more creative, intellectualism. This is all I can correlate with. You have emotional quotient and intelligence quotient. So these two are different things, different parameters which work at perceptual level, and they theory known as cognition. So this is all I can correlate from my engagement.
Yeah. Anyone else, sir?
What I think is, I'm not sure, but what I think is, I think something related to learning. The way you respond to the way you handle them. Whereas EQ is more related to connection. How do you connect?
Absolutely.
That is the basis.
Correct. Anyone else? One more quick. Yes.
But short में मतलब I think that IQ means क्या बोलना है, and EQ means कब कहाँ और कैसे बोलना है, and that is a complete thing.
Yeah, somewhat. Yes. So I'll just give a brief. This is how much I know. So I may be wrong. There's no right or wrong. This is a perception. So Dr. Daniel Coleman, he was a very famous psychologist. He gave the concept of EQ. IQ has been there throughout human history. How we invented fire is an example of IQ. That early man was intelligent enough to rub the stones and ignite the fire. EQ was not known. EQ was not known. So Dr. Coleman gave this, and I got the opportunity to learn this subject in London School of Economics through his student, Professor Gerald. So he taught me, okay, Rachit, remember one thing in life, IQ you will find everywhere. Everywhere, sir. EQ you will not find anywhere. Create that. Seed that. So, like if this room is full of doctors, I would say, all the doctors have cleared the examination with very high level of IQ. And I read it somewhere that average IQ of doctors is between 115 to 125, which is way more than a normal average person who lies between 90 to 95. So in that room, IQ is fine, but EQ levels differ. Dr. Mathur's EQ level must be very high. Saturday morning, 7:30 a.m. He's sitting for the society. Dr. Trehan must be doing it at his part. It's fine, but EQ level would be different. I'm sure. So this is the best example through Dr. Mathur.
would like to add
Sir.
तो मैं जब भी कोई नए ज्वाइन करते हैं एसोसिएट तो मैं उनसे फिर अगले दिन का ना चार्ट लेता हूँ कि क्या क्या पेशेंट्स हैं अगले दिन के तो नॉर्मली फर्स्ट डे सेकंड डे व्हेन दे टेल मी दिस दे टेल सर सुबह आरसीटी का केस है पहला फिर इम्प्लांट का केस है आई टेल व्हाट इज देयर नेम
Yes,
तो टेल मी बाय देयर नेम
Exactly.
मैं आप उस चीज पे पहुंच जाऊंगा बट आई शुड नो द नेम ऑफ दैट
correct.
So before entering the operatory, you should know the name and call them by their name. That is how you connect.
So that is EQ. So, being HR, when I interview an individual who comes for a job, I only ask about his family background, his family, how he is doing in life. This is the only question. Rest my managers are doing very effectively. So I request you all the LIC agents, investment bankers, investment architects, you are so energetic. Please inculcate EQ in your business and practices. EQ is very important, what we are missing right now today. EQ is very important. हमारे पास गाड़ी लेने कोई आता है, हमारे एग्जीक्यूटिव्स होते हैं, वो सिंपल ये पूछते हैं कौन सी गाड़ी चाहिए सर, अच्छा ये डिस्काउंट है, ये है. नो, नीड एनालिसिस हैज टू बी देयर. लाइक मैम इज कमिंग टू मी, आप कौन सी गाड़ी चलाते हैं, आप कहाँ रहते हैं, आपका क्या पर्पस है गाड़ी लेने का, आप मुझे 10-20 लाख रुपए दे रहे हैं. सो दैट इज EQ. So that's it. I mean, this is just theoretical. IQ is intelligence quotient, as the name suggests. Technical know-how, how you decipher, information from data is IQ. EQ is simply, sir, empathy, like sir said, how empathetic you are towards your patient, towards your customer, like that, how you're managing relationships, self-awareness, that is EQ. So Dr. Coleman gave 4 concepts. IQ was there, EQ, social quotient, and adaptive quotient. So that is again theoretical. I'll not take you through. EQ is what is more important, and please inculcate EQ values into your system and your personal lives. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Going forward, I would like to introduce my better half, Ruchika Gupta, and she would introduce herself for that. Sir. No.
Thank you for this platform and Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram.
So I